morning guys. It's already 9:30. Kakatapos ko lang mag-edit ng video. Si Daddy Ram nasa room niya at nagtatrabaho din. Today, may darating na maglilinis ng buong bahay namin. As in, buong bahay talaga guys. May bisita kasi kami na darating, diba? Yung pamilya ng pinsan ni Ram. Dito sila mag-stay sa bahay namin. So sabi ni Ram, ipapalinis daw niya yung buong bahay. Last time guys, before kami lumipat dito sa bahay na ito, pinarinis din namin yung buong bahay with the same company. And ang galing nila, sobrang galing talaga nila maglinis. Papakita ko yung before and after sa inyo na mga videos and pictures bago kami lumipat dito sa bahay na ito. Kasi yung mga previous na nakatira dito, hindi nila masyadong inalagaan yung bahay. So sobrang dumi talaga niya. And na-surprise kami sa ginawa nung cleaning company kasi nalinis talaga nila yung buong bahay. Hopefully, mahanap ko yung mga previous clips ko para malaman niyo kung gaano sila kagaling. Sabi nila, darating daw sila ng mga 9 o'clock. 9:30 na nga, diba? Hindi pa sila dumarating. Pero, we'll see, naghihintay pa rin kami sa kanila. Sana matapos na yung araw na ito kasi it will take 1 day ata na malinis yung buong bahay. Masaya ang araw ni Daddy Ram. Ang simula ng araw ni Daddy Ram. Masaya, di ba? Happy day. Happy start of a day.
Yeah, happy start. Really happy start. The green candles make me happy. Flying green candles.
Where are they, baby?
They're there. In the
Cleaning
center.
company? They just entered?
Give
Okay.
them permission, yes.
Baby, your CPU noisy.
I
Can
know.
we fix that one or no?
Sometimes come, sometimes can be fixed. Need to clean. I think maybe the fans on.
Yeah. It will take 1 day for them to clean, right?
Oh, it's okay. I need to find a place and they will clean and give us back. Budam is here. We know that we here need to find a person, a shop.
What they will do first?
Yes, better.
Okay.
I remove the clothes, everything. Because they need to vacuum the bed, the window, everything, and they will remove.
The curtain also? Curtain.
Yeah, they will remove.
Oh, they will clean also.
Everything, every inch.
Do we need to remove the things from the cabinet?
They will remove,
They will do that themselves?
vacuum, and they will put back as it is there.
Okay.
Brush में
So much equipment. The machine there on the floor, tanks. Then we stay inside out there.
cinema cleaning. People go on.
I think cement mark, cement and put away. Animated.
Cement not better.
Other.
Fresh to sun wine and
In many places, not things not clean, then just tell some corners, maybe sometimes they forgot. The top, above the cupboards.
Yeah, yeah. Here, last time I think they forgot to clean.
Last time because the house was so dirty that they had not enough time.
I
I
know.
told them, they said they will clean because that upper cupboard, upper one, we did not know, right? This one also. When
Yeah.
after the one put something, we see dust is there.
Yeah. Sometimes you won't really know, right?
And you don't know, sometimes they also skip like 3 people like eating clean like. Usually they will very pattern wise. First they said they will clean rooms and this one, then washrooms. That one first. This lady. She comes like this, her kitchen also.
Yeah, she said she'll come at 9. It's 10:30 already. Nakapagsaing na ako guys. Kailangan ko magluto kasi nililisin nga nila itong kusina, diba? So habang nasa bedroom pa sila, ito muna ako. Tapusin ko muna itong mga gawain sa kusina. Kasi magiging busy mamaya kung wala akong pagkakataon. Hindi ako nakakapag-prepare ng kakainin namin. Yes, baby. What is it? We'll try. Baby, you forgot to put this one in the sink last night.
you tomorrow.
Ah, yung air fryer namin. Hindi nalinisan nung...
No, I'm in a kitchen man, so I forgot.
Ah.
It's not regular.
Ah,
Let's see what they do.
seriously?
So, can I send this one for wash? My cleanings.
Okay. They will do also?
Also, the dry cleaning, they do everything wash.
Okay, okay. Difficult to remove certain stain
How
also.
many have you? Wash one, you wash one white one.
2, I think.
This one another one.
Ah.
Let me check.
Ito na ang ating mutton curry. Request na naman ang inyong Daddy Ram, guys. Gusto niya ng mutton curry, guys. Kahapon fish curry. Today, mutton curry. Wala tayong magagawa kundi pagpigyan. Charot.
The house is messy, guys. One thing they are cleaning, they're removing, putting things. Other thing, this Ryan bathroom, they have a leakage problem, water leakage problem. It's been like a couple of months already, keep complaining. They also come today. The good thing, they come before this cleaning. So the room can clean later, then it is clean. Otherwise, it will be big mess because they will, drill everything.
Yeah.
They're doing it now.
At
Hopefully
least.
at least that's why actually I want to delay these people, but I lost hope already. I don't think they will do right now, so that's why it's good everything one shot.
Ang gulo na dito, guys. Tapos na sila doon sa isang bedroom. Dito naman sa bedroom namin.
Dumana na na? తలుపులు కూడా తీయం కదా పెద్ద బయటికి Maybe
Yes.
I'll order for them some suppose.
Okay.
Okay?
What samosa?
Cheese one maybe.
Maybe they won't like it. It's the traditional
Oh, I think
normal samosa maybe.
almost about that.
Yeah, not everyone likes cheese one, right? Not like us. So, for them, order the normal one.
Okay, maybe for them Punjabi order for this.
Okay.
Okay?
Don't ask me if I want, okay?
You want samosa maybe? Cheese samosa? Just you're giving me hint, right? Huh?
No, I don't want. I want, but I shouldn't. What do you think?
It's okay. Today is busy day, working day.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Ryan don't like it, right?
I think he ate. No, maybe I just put 2 weeks, okay?
Okay. Dumating na yung samosa na in-order namin. We put there only.
Yeah, easy they can eat individually.
I think this is the cheese one.
It's a chicken one, tandoori chicken.
Is chicken? Seriously? Are they not
They-
vegetarian?
No,
Did you ask?
I know. Just give them, okay?
Yeah, yeah. So, ang ating mutton curry, guys. Excited na ito si Daddy Ram kumain. You agree?
Yeah.
Ano siya? After this, Allah, already soft na ang ating bunga ng malunggay.
Almost done, sir.
Yeah. It's already soft, the bunga ng malunggay. So, let's just wait for a while. Done here, baby. Why they put back that one?
We didn't either. They asked me, want me to change that new one? I said, just put it right now, then we'll see. We can change our stuff.
Ryan, who's watching TV? Who's watching TV?
Daddy.
He's sleeping. Nakatulog na sila ni Ram sa pagod. Nasa kwarto na sila ni Ryan, guys. Ang bilis ha, sobrang bilis. Parang natatapos nila ito ng Hindi isang araw. Siguro it will take time sa kitchen. Tsaka dito sa living room. Pero, sapat na. Kasi, alauna na ngayon. Ang galing natin dito. Mag-start na akong mag-ayos-ayos sa wardrobe. Kasi, this my chance tayo na mag-organize. Lagi kong sinasabi, mag-organize na ako, pero hindi talaga nangyayari. Laging busy. So, ngayon, at least masisimulan ko na. A lot of flats here.
A lot of them.
Almost finished. Almost finished. I want one only, Daddy. I will arrange everything. I will put here and there also.
Okay, here don't have, right?
Yeah, there don't. There is already, but no need to double this side.
Okay.
Because it's gonna be divided. So
But
the weight is not on one place.
I know.
Hmm.
Is it okay? One enough? Okay? Is it enough for clothes?
For now, it's enough. I'll put here and there. And then
Other side, at the moment you did not put.
Yeah. Do we have like this there on guest bedroom?
Yes.
Every.
Every room has.
So you want double? Okay, just you can put double. You can put double. If there's extra, then you can put double. How about Ryan?
Ryan bedroom also has. Three, not three, two have.
What you mean? It's two on there.
Three, last one.
Then put one there.
Okay. Oh, I mean, if we extra, you wanted to put two here,
Yeah.
otherwise one enough. Oh.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine.
Tapos na ako guys sa part na ito. Kulang pa ako ng hanger at saka yung ganyang organizer. Pero medyo mahal kasi. Na-check namin sa IKEA pero wag muna ngayon. And then this side naman. Oh.
All credit goes to Ramsana.
Why?
It's my idea.
Oh, seriously.
Why,
Thanks to
so
subscribers telling me to hang the clothes para hindi masyadong mahirap magtupi. We need more hangers. So urgently need to go to IKEA.
Yeah, we'll go.
Buy only hangers, that's it.
You can order online.
Yeah. Kasi para uniform siya.
Yeah.
And yung organizers, yan na lang muna. Dito sa aking drawer. Oh. Ayan. Okay na. Ang gulo niyan kanina as in. Ayan guys, talagang tapos na ang bedroom natin. Napalitan ko na rin ng bedsheet at saka pillow covers yan. Malinis na. Si Ryan, kakagaling lang ng lawn tennis. And you need to take shower. My baby boy, yes.
I'm doing up. Could you tell me the name?
Yes, what's the name?
Escape McDonald's.
Okay. Nalinis na din nila ang banyo, guys. Ayan, nakapantulog pa rin ako kasi hindi pa tayo tapos sa mga gawaing bahay. Pero, malinis na. At least, lahat talaga nilinis nila. And, tapos na din ang living room. Umalis na sila. They left already. So clean. Everything is so clean. They really did so well. Even the cobwebs there, all gone.
We cannot do.
Yeah.
It's not that easy.
Ayan.
Every inch.
Even dito sa balcony, nilinis din nila. Yung ating Christmas lights. Feels so fresh, Daddy.
Yeah.
Gusto kong palitan ng pillow cover yan. Mamaya. Yung gifts, parang gusto kong ilagay na lang sa taas kasi whenever the maid is cleaning, I think cannot clean properly there because of the gifts. So I was thinking just put it up.
That's better actually.
Huh?
The less accumulate, you know.
Yeah. Usually may mga fingerprints yung mga cabinet. Ngayon wala na, malinis na. May mga kailangan pa akong i-arrange na mga bagay-bagay. Pero bukas na guys kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya. Gaya nito, yung mga Filipino food ko. Ang gulo pa. Bukas na siguro. Yung mga stock namin ng pagkain, hindi ko pa na-arrange. Sorry?
January, first month in the year.
Yes. Studying si Ryan. Itong bulaklak nilagay ni Daddy Ram dyan.
No?
Wala na dito. Tapos na din yung kwarto ni Ryan. Ayan. Nalinis na lahat. Back to normal. And ang ating guest bedroom na wala pang bedsheet kasi lalabhan ko pa guys. Tinanggal ko na lang muna. Pero at least malinis na. Itong cabinet, in-empty ko lahat guys. Kasi 4 sila. So, dapat may mga space para sa luggage nila at kanilang mga damit. Na-empty ko na ba ito? Oh, na-empty na pala. Dito din sa kabila. Medyo maingay yung aming cabinet. Pero ayan. Empty na din. Pati yung drawer. Ayan guys, natapos din kami. Si Ram umalis. May binili si Ryan. Ayan, nakita niyo ba? Kumakain ng dinner niya. Tapos na kasi kaming kumain. Siya yung huli. Ay, nakakapagod na araw. Pero super worth it niya. Kasi very organized na yung bahay. At saka malinis. Hindi ko pa natapos lahat. May mga cabinets pa na hindi ko pa na-arrange at na-organize. Pero bukas na siguro yun guys. So, sa susunod na araw, kung may aasikasuhin kami bukas, hindi ko siya magagawa. Ang dami ko pang kailangan labhan. Yung mga carpet, floor mats. Pero may ilang araw pa naman tayo para makapag-prepare bago dumating ang ating bisita. So, okay lang yan. Now, mag-Amazon haul muna tayo. Bigay ito ng Amazon guys sa amin. So, link will be in the description box below kung gusto nyong bilhin ang mga items na ito from Amazon.in and Amazon.com. First one ito. Diba sabi ko sa inyo may event kami sa pamilya. This following days, kailangan ko din ng traditional attire. So, sa Amazon, in-order ko ito. And yung mga western wear, yung binili ko.
This is in Amazon.in.
Yeah. Go eat first. Finish. And this is so nice from the brand Biba. Favorito ko ito guys. Ito yung isa sa mga magandang damit na napili ko doon sa Amazon. Iba din yung design niya as compared sa mga usual na in-order ko kasi parang may ganito siya. Tapos, may panloob na ganito. May motif kasi yung isang event na something blue daw yung suotin. Ayan. Kaya ito ang aking pinili. Ayan. I-insert ko na lang yung itsura niya somewhere in the screen. And actually, nakuha ko siya ng naka-sale. It's 1,339. Ang original price niya is, nandito ata or wala. Nandito pala. 3,000. O, diba? More than 50% yung kanyang discount. And, yes na. Daddy went out. This one, ano din siya? Kurta from the brand Aurelia. 1,339 lang. And parang naka-sale din siya. Not dollars. Rupees. Yes. Ang original price niya is 2,600. I got it for 1,339 lang. Something similar na ganito. Dalawang piece na may parang cardigan.
That's mine.
And ito yung panloob niya. It's for girls. Sleeveless yung panloob.
Look, wait.
Mm.
Daddy said he's angry because of the clothes you showed him.
Mm.
I told him that's for girls, not for boys.
No, what daddy mean is the new clothes, Nana.
This is your clothes.
This ones.
What? That's for girls. Why is he angry with this?
Not about the gender, means I have something new, that's why.
Why?
You understand it?
No.
And the last is mga pantulog pajama. Dalawa. Kasi nakaset siya from the brand Ariel Basic.
I love these. I love these. Pajamas.
Pants, sleeping wear.
Oh, that's coffee. Coffee, coffee,
Which
coffee.
one?
Coffee,
Coffee.
coffee, coffee. Coffee, coffee.
Ayan. Pajama lang, guys. Very nice yung cloth. Hindi manipis.
Coffee, 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 coffee.
And dalawa na, I got it for 849.
Mommy.
Yes, Nana.
Yes, what I want.
What you want?
Coffee for not sleeping. Coffee. Coffee.
Oh, another one. What is this? Your favorite?
Strawberry. 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 Strawberry.
Yun lang, guys.
Another pants.
Mm. Again, link will be in the description box below kung gusto niyong bilhin ang mga items na ito from Amazon.in or Amazon.com.
Guys,
Bye guys. What do you say?
feel so fresh, Nana. Like, at your mouth, Nana, the house. It's clean, right?
Yeah, it's super clean, but I heard
But
mommy.
it took like the whole day. They really did a good work and so much hard
Yeah.
work. Every
But-
detail, small things, everything they clean. Even window railings,
Yeah.
sliding door railings, everywhere. Shoe racks.
Yeah.
I don't know. Really worth it.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe, share. Ring the bell icon. Bye. See you because. Now give it like this. So like this. Give this video 100,000 likes. Peace.
Bye bye. See you, Bukas. Have a good day.